Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Personalized Recommendation System based on collaborative filtering for IoT scenarios. The movie recommendation business is the most of a growing business has helping to the lot of countries. The project analyzes the data rating provided the end of user data to the recommend of movie to user. The recommendation is based on feedback of different peoples on the movie items. The recommendation is based on content-based filtering and collaborative-based filtering. It's a content-based of user item filtering, item filtering, and then collaborative filtering for user item filtering and collaborative item filtering. So the recommendation is done basics on a hybrid content-based filtering and collaborative filtering. The system is developed by the deep learning algorithm and then K-mean clustering. Let us see about our flow diagram. First of all, the movie lens of data set and then the input data is a pre-processing for handling the missing values, and the label encoding is a pre-processing step, and then recommendation for content based and collaborative based filtering, and the hybrid of content based and collaborative based filtering, and then data set of splitting for training and testing, 80% of training and 20% of testing. This is a predictions of classification, K-mean clustering. They are finally they calculate in RMSE, MSE, mean square error, mean square error. Let us to see about our project explanation. First of all, read the data set, the rating CSV and the movie CSV. Rating CSV of columns user ID, movie ID, rating paragraph, and then movie of movie ID, title and genres. This is the title and the movie ID and genres. This is the number of movies of Avenger, animations, children, comedy, and everything is plotted. This is the heat of mappings of rating of this flow, this plot. This is a movie recommendation of content-based recommendation. It's the title of movie retrieval. It's the best movies or retrieval. The Toy Story is a recommendation of content-based recommendation of movies. This retrieval of recommendation for this movies. This is a K-mean classification or used. The movie lens of shape of sigmas, values of shape of sigmas. It's a content-based recommendation and user-based recommendation. Content-based and collaborative-based filtering is item-based recommendation and user-to-user based recommendation. This is the RMSE. This is the RMSV, MSV, and the AME, and the percent of time and testing of times. This is the RMS of K values and the K values of predicting these values, predicting this graph. This is the collaborative filterings of fit ratio value, hit ratio value 0.66 and 0.88. Is a user to user collaborative filtering and item to item to collaborative filtering. So hybrid. This is the hybrid of recommendations. The content based on collaborative based of hybrid. The user ID this retrieval. This is a movie title and movie ID, title and genres and SPD of rating. Finally, the classification of ANN using loss of MSC, Adam, optimization of Adam, and metrics are calculated MSC, AME, and the mean square error. This is the overall of our processor. This is the content based and collaborative based and the hybrid of content and collaborative. The user to user and item to item. This is the rating and movie ID.